Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data models in Excel. A data model is a powerful feature that integrates data from various sources into a single, unified structure. This allows for robust analysis, especially with large datasets, improving performance significantly. You can easily establish relationships between different tables, enabling more complex and insightful reporting. It's a foundational step for advanced data analysis within Excel. To begin building your data model, first import your data. You can pull information from many sources, such as databases, text files, or other Excel workbooks. Utilize the Get and Transform Data feature to load this information directly into the data model. It's crucial to ensure your tables have unique identifier columns, which will be essential for linking them together later. This initial step sets the stage for powerful data integration. Once your data is loaded, the next critical step is defining relationships between your tables. This is done by linking common columns, like a product ID, across different tables. The diagram view in Power Pivot provides a visual representation of these connections, making them easy to manage. You can then create powerful calculated columns and measures using data analysis expressions, or DAX, to perform dynamic calculations across your entire dataset. With your data model established, you can now unlock its full analytical potential. Create dynamic pivot tables and pivot charts directly from your model, allowing for flexible reporting. For more interactive visualizations, leverage Power View to build compelling dashboards. This approach enables you to analyze millions of rows of data with remarkable speed and efficiency, far surpassing traditional Excel limits. Finally, share your insightful workbooks for seamless collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.